C4 Motorsports here. Unfortunately, today we're going to have to work on the Ford. I know, it's rare, I know. But today we're going to do the alternator on it. It's finally starting to crap out on us, so we're going to go ahead and swap that out. We're going to take it out first before we go get one, so that way we can use it as a core charge. And it's a 2004, I think. So it's a sport trac, which is basically an Explorer with a pickup truck bed on it, but same thing. It's a 4.0 V6 automatic, you know, blah blah blah. We're four-wheel drive. We're gonna take it out and might as well bring you guys along for it. Show you how to do it. Alright, so right there's the alternator. And to get to it, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a flathead screwdriver and we're going to pop off this clamp, get this hose out of the way. And there's a little emissions hose or something right here we're going to yank out of there too, just to get it out of the way so we can get down there and see what we need tools we need to get to do the job. So go ahead and pop this hose off, get it out of the way a little bit. And then what you're going to want to do, you got two wires here. Well, there's three wires altogether, but two of them are clipped in. So you're going to go ahead and unclip those, pull them out, pull that one out, tuck that up out of the way. And then you got another one there that is a 10mm bolt right there, which is going to be your battery cable. So you're going to go ahead and loosen that. Be careful not to touch anything that's going to ground it out, because it'll spark and scare the crap out of you. So go ahead and loosen that up, get that out of there, and then it should be time to loosen the belt and take that off. And then there's, from what I can see, looks like three bolts that hold that on there. It should be right out. Okay, so once you got your three wires out of the way, it's time to loosen up the belt. Now, directly below the belt down in here is the idler pulley, or the tensioner pulley anyways, and it has what looks to be like a 3/8 drive spot on it to be on there to be able to really pry on it to take the pressure off the belt. So I don't know if I'll be able to do that and record, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Anyhow, what I did, I took the tension off, took the belt off, and I just laid it right below it so I didn't take it off all the stuff. And I'm going to leave my wrench there, because I'm just going to take this out, the alternator out, and then I'm going to go get a new one and come back and put it in so it can stay there. It ain't going to hurt nothing. So right now I'm going to take out these three bolts, and that should pop right out of there. Alright, so it looks like it's 13mm. I don't know what that, it's like holding a piece of plastic up. I don't know what it is. So hopefully there's nothing major below it. There it is. Do a little magic and we'll be ready to put it right back in. Ta-da! It's magic. And just like that, that's how you do an alternator on that's a 2004 Sport Trac. It's that easy, man. Gotta love Fords. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. Comment on the videos. Let me know if you like this sort of thing or not. I'm sure I'll be doing other automotive repairs, and I got all kinds of vehicles that need something, so